How are my business experts doing? We are going to create great business habits and profitable business partnerships. Right here, we have Race Communications, right, that just did their town hall yesterday on November 2nd, 2022. Right, it was powerful town hall. The content is going up on YouTube, right? So make sure you check out for that, right? At the same time, they, provide fiber optic internet, right? Lightning fast internet, 10 gig speed. So if you're doing your streaming, right? If you're doing your YouTube channels, you're doing all this stuff, right? You're working remotely, right? Race Communications is going to help you get that done, right? So if you want to get in contact with them, if you're in the Southern California area, you want to learn more about what they're doing, right? They also provide TV. They also provide phone service, right? It's great for your business. Right? If you want a dedicated phone line at great. Welcome to the Champions Playbook business consulting firm, where we specialize in multiplying your business sales with our business growth habits and business partnership development. If you are not using business partnerships to grow your business sales, then you are missing out on thousands of dollars every week. Join our free newsletter, Winners Business Partnerships. We will show you how businesses are using partnerships to grow and scale their business, sales, and how you can too. We look forward to helping you multiply the sales of your business. Prices, right? Hit them up, right? If you're doing podcast studios, hit them up, right? And then we also got tickets to the Field of Drafts in Lancaster, California, happening November 5th, right? All because of Race Communications right now. Why were we there? If you're wondering why we were there because of the Antelope Valley Chamber of Commerce, right? Partnering with them, becoming ambassadors, right? So, being there, representing the chamber, right? And representing positivity. We ended up winning the raffle for the Apple TV. So, partner with great businesses, great organizations. All right. We partner with the AV Chamber and become ambassadors to let everybody know what's possible, right? To let everybody know what's like investing into your community, right? If you want to know more about the AV Chambers of Commerce, the link's in the description. If you want to know about great fiber optic internet companies that are changing the world, that come out, let the community know about what they're doing, hit up Race Communications. Go to race.com. Hit them up on their phone number, 877-722-3833. They follow one of our business laws. What is that law? That law is service before sales, okay? They provided all this service, right? Tickets to the event, raffle for the community with the Apple TV, right? Pen, wallet, all this stuff, right? Before we even make any purchase, letting the community know about what they do, right? That's what we're talking about. That's what great businesses do. And they're doing that. They're investing into their community. They're showing what's possible. So we just want to shout them out, let them know, that we support them, that we love what they're doing, what they brought down from the Bay Area, California to Southern California. So make sure you check them out and make sure you check out the AV Chamber of Commerce. Both of their contact information will be in the description. And, we want to bring them more, bring more content from them in the future. So make sure you're checking us out and you're checking them out, right? On their social media pages and on everything, man. Make sure you make winning plays every day. And yeah, just keep winning with your businesses and with your goals. Winning plays every day. TCP will show you the way. Accomplish your goals and never fold. Just follow the winning plays that you've been told. The Champions Playbook will help you win, and your success will never end. Winning plays, winning plays.